How to collect customer feedback automatically. 3 levels of automation with Zapier. Pick your style. Noob, simple and hassle-free. Pro, smart automations to speed things up. And Expert, AI handles everything. If you're just starting, keep it simple. Add a basic feedback form on your website, something like contact us or leave a review. Customers click, type their message and submit. To make sure feedback doesn't get lost, set up an automation that sends all responses to Google Sheet. From there, you can manually tag them as a bug, feature request, or just general feedback. And don't forget to reply with a quick "thanks for your feedback." You can set this up to send automatically via email. Yes, this is a simple setup, but it already helps. At least you are collecting feedback and keeping it organized. Now, let's make it better. Instead of just a form, add a chatbot on your website or WhatsApp. When a customer messages, the bot asks key questions like "what happened?", "what should we improve?" or "rate our service." To avoid manually copying everything, set up Zapier to send all messages straight to your support system, Zendesk, Intercom, or Freshdesk. There, tickets can be automatically labeled as a bug, feature request, or billing issue. Most importantly, don't let feedback just sit in support. Set up an automation that forwards it directly to your product team in Product Board or Coda. That way, they can see what customers want and start working on it right away. Now, you are not just collecting feedback, you are making it a part of your workflow. A customer reports an issue, a ticket is created, and the product team is instantly notified. And always close the loop. If you fix a bug or launch a requested feature, let the customer know. That builds trust and loyalty. Now comes the magic. Bringing AI into every step. AI chatbot. When a customer messages, the bot doesn't just collect feedback, it actually tries to help. If someone reports a bug, it can reply, "We're already working on it. A fix is coming soon." AI reads messages and figures out if they are about a bug, a feature request, or just general feedback. It also sets priorities. If 40% of customers complain about the same issue in 1 week, AI marks it as a high priority automatically. Instead of manually sorting through hundreds of tickets, AI analyzes them and gives you clear insights. For example, 15% of customers report a bug in a mobile version, or 10% are asking for Zapier integration. These reports are automatically sent to Slack or Notion so the team knows what to focus on. And when feedback is addressed, like fixing a bug or adding a feature, AI automatically updates a customer, "Hey, we fixed it, try it out now." AI saves you a ton of time. No more manual work on routine tasks, so you can focus on strategy, and customers feel heard, even if you are not responding to every message yourself.